welcome. Continuation of our topic, probability continues. We have a question under throwing of a Ludo dice. So a Ludo die is thrown once. What is the probability of scoring 1 an even number, 2 an odd number, and 3 a number less than what? 5. If you are new to this space, consider to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get to this. We learned that when we are giving the question, we need the event, we need the sample space. So we need to coin those two terms from the question. So first of all, we can have our sample space. We can represent our sample space if U or S, which is normally universal set, equals to the set of numbers that we can get when we throw a die. And I believe that could be from 1 up to 6. So these are the sample space. It's a set of numbers. So if this is a set of numbers, then we can find number of elements in that set U, and there are 6 different elements. So I have that number. So if I am going to take the first one, I can also let any number represent even number. So let E represent what? Set of what? Even numbers. So if this is a set of even numbers, from where? From the die, the sample space that we have. So this is going to be a set of even numbers, could be 2, 4, 6. And this will end because we are taking this as our universal set. So this being a subset will not take element beyond the universal set. So we know the element. Do we know the number of elements? We can find that. So number of elements is also going to be 1, 2, 3. There are 3 different elements present. So 3. Event is known. Sample space is known. So therefore, probability of the event equals to number of the event over number of sample space, which could translate to 3 over what? 6. And 3 over 6 can further be reduced to 1 out of what? 2, being probability of selecting even number. So since we have the sample space, for the number 2, we go for I can use D represent set of what? Odd numbers. So the set of odd numbers inside the sample space will be 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers we can get, but how many are they? So number of D equals to what? 3. Then probability of selecting the event of D is going to be number of D over number of what? Sample space. And the D give us 3. Sample space give us what? 6. So we still have what? 1 over 2. Alright, so the final one is a number less than what? 5. So we can also say let L represent set of what? Number or numbers less than 5. So if that's the case, we need to have those numbers that are less than 5 here. Will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are less than 5. Therefore, we need to know the number of L, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. So therefore, our probability of L, which we can still use less than 5 in order to do that, is going to be number of L over number of U, which is going to be 4 out of 6, and that can be further reduced to 2 out of what? 3. So the probability of obtaining a number less than 5, 2 out of 3, obtaining even number 1 out of 2, obtaining an odd number is also 1 out of 2. So this is just one example of probability involving a throwing of a die. I believe concept explained. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.